So it's one of those days again. A team member's called out and you're out in the field and you've canceled all your day's plans just so you can keep things afloat. And I bet you think that you're doing the right thing, but you're not. What you're doing is causing your business to stall its growth. This hasn't been a one-time issue. It's a cycle. And honestly, every time that you step in to fix this problem, you're just reinforcing it. If this sounds familiar and you're ready to start solving this issue, then here's where I can help you. The GIST Academy is designed to specifically help you deal with this and many other issues that have you as the bottleneck to your company. Look, when you cancel your plans, whether it's meeting with a client or strategizing for the success of your business, you are trading the future of your business for today's chaos. Every time that you cover for one of your team members, you're sending a message, hey, it's okay. I'll fill in where needed. That's not the way to do it, folks. That's not the way to get your business to the next level. Yes, it may seem like the easiest solution to you, but it's not the right solution. You've got two options. These are the only options that you have. One, you keep doing what you had intended on doing that day. Or two, you look at what the problem is that day. And instead of picking up a tool and going out and helping your team, you pick up the problem and start working how to solve that. Ask yourself, why did this happen? Is there an issue with the work environment, the person? Is there something systemic in your organization? Look at the problem from every angle and figure out how you can solve it. That is where your day should be spent. I don't want you to spend the day in the field thinking, oh, this team member called out and it's just a headache. Rather, I want you to look at it as an opportunity because this is what you do to grow your business. You look at the areas that can be fixed and you set about fixing them. And you bring your team in to help you fix it also. This is an opportunity to identify gaps in your hiring process, improve your scheduling, maybe build systems that keep the business running smoothly, even when people aren't there, even when you're not there. This is where growth happens by fixing the root causes, not the symptoms. The link for Gist Academy is in the comments section. And if you're not ready to start that, then at least join our free community where you'll get some resources and other advice to help you focus on the things that advance your business. I want you to look at it this way. Every time that you choose to step into the field, you're choosing to stall your business's growth. But every time you step back and solve the bigger problem, you're choosing to build a business that can run without you. The tools are here to help you get your business to the next level. The choice, it's yours. The GIST Academy can propel you to the next level. It can help you get out of the field. It can help you get away from the mundane task and into the important task of strategizing and creating systems and processes and teaching your team to create those same systems and processes so that they can grow your business faster than you can grow it on your own. I look forward to seeing you there.